pag walang ulan. Pag umulan siya, ganyan po ang itsura niya. Okay? Yan ang itsura niya. Tumataba yung ilog. And dito, pinangalanan mo namin ito as the OWAS gravel. We call it as the OWAS gravel. At ayan po, sa Ginabatan, Tamali, Daraga, Legazpi, ano ba itong lugar ito? So, banda dito tayo. But anyway, that's the peak of Mayon. Yan ang itsura niya. So, puntahan muna natin dito sa may bandang Ginabatan. Nandito po yung mga ilog. Yan yung normal na creeks and streams. Pero mga kabahayan, this is the road. Pag umulan ng malakas, ganyan po ang itsura niya. Doon sa taas, maraming mga pera yung SCTP, etc. In terms of flood risk score, marami po orange. Even Metro Manila is orange, is high. Tapos marami po ang very high. So that means that we really need to do a lot more here in the Philippines. And that's the reason why we are #1 in the risk index, the global assessment. Okay, we're also looking at other hazards, landslides and storm surge. We're doing it with some universities abroad, sa Thailand. We're working with Nanyang Tech. We're doing this also for other Pacific Island countries. No? Kasi with the UN Office of Migration. Okay, pabalik na tayo ngayon sa tanong ko kayo sa inyo kanina. Malakas ba yung ulan, Christine?
Yes.
Na-surprise ba kayo?
Super surprise.
Super surprise. So, meron po kami sinusulat na ganito. No? Actually, 2024 pa namin.